Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are replacing the speakers in the Mini. So the passenger speaker was blown. I've managed to pick these up for free actually off a guy in the group, so thank you to him. We are going to upgrade the sound system in the future, but just now I want that speaker working because it's literally just vibrating, so it's really bad. Guys, if you are enjoying these videos, please like, subscribe and comment, it does mean a lot. We've also planned on getting a lot more stuff done to the Mini. We've ordered some bits and bobs, so there are going to be some surprise videos in the future. And we've also got a sponsorship for one of the videos as well, so drop his details below in that video in the future, guys. But what I'll do is I'll go just now, I'll crack on with this job, and I'll see you in a couple of seconds. So what I can show you as best as I possibly can, so I've just put some bass music on here. I've made it just to the speaker here, because the speaker's completely blown. But this is what you're hearing. You hear that? It's absolutely shot. But if I use the other speaker, that's what it should sound like. So the bass ones are in the back, but it's completely shot. So let's get these speakers changed over and let's see if they sound better. So we've got some Torx PCs, some flathead screwdriver PCs. So let's let's crack on with this. Go. So it's as easy as this. Here's the old speaker, here's the new speakers, and the last screw, that was tight. So this is the blown speaker, you can see. Even when you fucking push it, it's broken. Thinking I might not even need to screw that on, to be honest. I could maybe, it's magnetised. Let's have a wee gander. Right. So this speaker here isn't designed for this Mini then. Maybe if I do that, maybe I'll just do it like that, to be honest. Let's all we look and see how it sounds. It's working absolutely fine, which is really good. So let's crack on and put the door all back together and let's see if it sounds better. So we have replaced both door speakers now, which is really good. And let's give it a little test to see what it sounds like. That's absolutely much better. What we do is just repeat the exact same with all the speakers because they're all just the same process, but this side here is now done. The other side just needs fixed now because the speaker was completely blown. But yeah guys, if you are enjoying these videos, please like, subscribe and comment. I am going to leave the video here guys, but I will see you in the next one. Peace.